Hi, Jessica. I think this is a really good idea. In fact, if I'd have thought of it, I might have used it for everybody. So you want to do a disc. That's a good idea. Use pictures of the person. Um, okay, would they have to be pictures of yourself? Okay, so the copyright rules, and they're wildly diverse. The one that I know is if you want to use a photograph that someone else has taken, you can use it in an educational setting only. So if I was giving you an in-person lecture and I had a picture of Prince behind me, that would be okay. But you're not allowed to sell it, and you're not allowed to put it in your portfolio. So that's the fact, right? You can manipulate something, but it has to be super manipulated. There was a guy, you might have heard about this. There's a guy who took an Obama AP picture, Obama, and used it as his own in an artwork. Um, Obama art, AP photo. I forgot what his name is. This one. He denied that he used this photo as reference. Clearly a liar. You can see if you look at all the indicators that it's pretty much the same thing. And then they took him to court and he lost. So you can manipulate work, but you really would have to do so much to make it look different because he did do a lot, but clearly it's not enough. So anyway, to answer your question, sorry to be so long-winded, but as far as investment of your time, you'd be better off using your own photos or your own drawing. And then as far as a graphic designer or an illustrator, I don't remember what you said you wanted to do. My guess is you want to be a designer or maybe both. Use this opportunity to focus on what you really want to do. Do you love graphic design? If so, make this like the most tight typography layout you've ever done. Or if you really want to be an illustrator, take this opportunity, spend several days on an illustration, put your heart and soul into it, and then you can have a piece you can be really proud of. All right. The same goes for photography or whatever you want to do. Could the album be about me? That's cool if you made it about you too. That would be another good self-promotion piece. In fact, I don't know if you want to go to this kind of effort, but it could be another leave behind idea. Like if you maybe created a CD, well, nobody uses CDs anymore for portfolios and so forth, but it's still a nice idea to do an album cover about yourself. So really the project is wide open, but my best advice to you, as someone who has been to college and looked for jobs and all that stuff, is to really focus on what you want to do and spend this time um, creating it. And then as you look for jobs and send it over and over and over again to people, you'll know that you really put your heart and soul into it. I hope that answers your question. Let me know if it doesn't.